So this is a problem with my Volvo C70. I've changed the MAF, I've changed the plugs, I've changed the coil packs on all 5 cylinders. Basically what happened is when you're revving it's got like a fluffing, like a really bassy noise. I'll see if I can do it. It like hesitates. I'll take it up to 3000 and then I won't move my foot and see what happens. Not moving my foot. So it's not very well. It's as if it's flooding and then suddenly bursting into life. That's all I can describe it as, really. And then we have the ETS light has just come on. But like I say, I have just changed the plugs, the coil packs, and I've changed the MAF as well. It didn't make any difference. So any ideas, if anybody has them, let me know. Thank you. This is, by the way, this is a 2001 C70 2.4 turbo, a low pressure turbo. Alright, cheers.